Italian furniture with Turkish prices. Today we will show you new models. Hello, my name is Hüseyin Tabibi. We are starting. Here we go. The first position is bedroom set. Here we have table with mirror, poof. Also the mirror have a lights on right and left. And this side we have a bed. Bed is size 1.60. Also here we have a 2x comodines. On top is a natural marble and the shelves like this. You can order this model from us. Here we have a decoration for a dining room. This is a MDF. On top we have a 3D print. This is a view with natural marble, but this is actually MDF. This here we have an accessoire like this, and also in right and left we have a lights like this. Also this is under TV unit. This shelves like this with magnet. The size is changeable for your interior. The next position we have a sitting set like this. Here is sofa and here is armchair. The fabric is same but the different colors. Also I want to remind the fabric is antibacterial and you can wash it without problem. Next position is 3-person sofa. Here we have a white color and material antibacterial and you can wash it without problem. Also this model is for 3-person. You can change it for 4-person. Also I want to remind we are doing a manufacturing of customized furniture for your interior and we are doing a shipping of this to your address.
We are direct manufacturer. Send us a picture of any furniture you want and we'll make it from scratch. If you are not sure what you are looking for, contact us. We'll choose it together, produce it and ship it straight to you. Wherever you are, USA, Canada, Dubai or India, we deliver worldwide.
For future news and to have information about furniture industry, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, put the likes and comments. See you.